Alright, so in this problem, I have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. So to solve this, I'm going to first start out by factoring out 2 to the power of x from my left-hand side. So now I get 2 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, because I simply factor out 2 to the power of x, and 2 to the power of x divided by 2 is 1, 2 to the power of x is 1. Now, 1 plus 1, that's equal to 2. So I get 2 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 3. Now, if I divide both sides by 2, these two cancel out, and I get 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 over 2. And now I can take the log on both sides, so I get log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 3 over 2. And there are a couple important properties of logarithms that you guys need to know. So first off, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. Now, if I have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. And finally, if I have something in the form log of a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So right here, we have log 2 to the power of x. And I can move x to the front. So this is going to equal x times log 2 is equal to log 3 over 2. Now we're going to use our second property here, which is, or sorry, not our second, our third, which is log a over b, that's equal to log a minus log b. So in this case, log of, well, a is 3 and b is 2, so I have log 3 minus log 2. Now, if I divide both sides by log 2, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 3 minus log 2 over log 2. Log 3, this is equal to 0.4771. Log 2, this is equal to 0.3010. So if I plug these values into my equation there, I get x is equal to 0.4771 minus 0.3010. Now I have this all over 0.3010. And 0.4771 minus 0.3010, putting that into a calculator, that's going to equal 0.1761. And now if I divide that by 0.3010, I get x is equal to 0.5850. So now remember, our original equation was 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. So if I take 2 to the power of 0.5850, so if I plug this into my calculator, I get approximately 1.5. So I have 1.5 plus 1.5, and that's equal to 3. So I get 3 is equal to 3.